Golem. So at this point, Golem is a legacy crypto. I mean, it's one of the oldest. It's been knocking around since 2016. And we're now in a world where deep in is becoming a bigger topic. And the price really for Golem has never dropped off a cliff. It's always been relatively strong. They've got a decent treasury behind them. And it's a way for people to earn. So I want to take a look at how they can earn, along with maybe what this can hit this year. Now, before I get into any of it, if you're new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. These are cryptos that I thought could do very, very well and make a lot of money, which is obviously why I bought them. And these are what they were worth when I recorded my videos, and these are the highs these cryptos hit around about 16 months on, as well as what your profits would have been from $100 into each. If you'd have done that for all of them, you'd have made over 123 grand in less than a year and a half. Now, thing is we're in a bull cycle right now. Altcoin season's kicking off. And if you've got cryptos you're not happy with, have a look at copymycrypto.com. That's the site I run. And on the site, I share every single coin I own with my members. And whenever I'm ready to buy or sell a coin, I tell my members the coin that I'm going to buy or sell and the price that I'm going to buy or sell those coins at. So all my members get in and out of crypto same price as me. They make the same profit and they don't have any work to do at all. And if you go onto the site, you'll be able to see some of the profits my members have made, which is public record. You can go onto the old videos on this channel and verify it. You'll also see some of my past successes, which again, you can go onto the old videos on this channel and verify it. But after reading through the site, watching the videos, if you like what you see and you want to hear more, you want to hear about the cryptos I own, the ones I think are going to be the big winners of this cycle, all you've got to do to find out about any of them is join up on the site, guys. Now, Golem. So as I said, it's been around a damn long time, since 2016. They have 1 billion tokens. The supply is out. It is on every big exchange, so no listing bounce is on. Now, Golem itself is an open source decentralized computing platform. So it's building an ecosystem to provide computing power to the AI industry. So they have a peer-to-peer marketplace for distributed computing resources. Users engage directly on the Golem platform. They exchange the GLM tokens for the utilization of their idle computing resources. Now, actually, this is a very good idea. There's millions of people that sit there every day with a computer on where their resources are not being fully used. Why not have in the background your computing resources being given out and earn a bit? Golem actually allows to break down tasks into smaller subtasks and distribute them across multiple providers. This allows for parallel processing, which boosts efficiency, which speeds up the completion of complex computations. It's actually a very good idea. And how do you get involved? It's pretty simple. You just go on to chat.golem.network and you figure out how you want to participate. The Golem token is needed to pay for computations on the network and is the currency that drives the marketplace. As a requester, you set a bid for an amount of Golem you are willing to pay for your task to be completed. As a provider, you earn by computing tasks for requesters. Now, the founders are Alexandra Skrbzik. I'm sorry, I'm butchering that. Andrei Regulski, Julian Zawatowski, and Piotr Janowik. All I can say is I'm sorry if I'm butchering your names. So they established the Golem factory in 2016, leading to the launch of the Golem network in 2018. So yeah, with the technical expertise, they have managed to push this project forward very, very smoothly. Key events has obviously been that it was first released on the Ethereum mainnet, which was their significant milestone. The launch was a culmination of extensive development and testing. In the same year, Golem published its project in a scientific journal, further establishing its credibility and showcasing the academic rigor behind the project. The GPU beta testing program was another critical event, which launched to explore the potential of GPU computing. They've had lots of solid moments since getting up and running. They had a collaboration with Gamer Hash AI and Reality NFT. which was aimed to integrate Golem's computing power with gaming and NFT platforms, which expands its use case, of course. And they have a strategic partnership with Polygon, which was established to enhance scalability and reduce transaction costs, which of course makes the network more efficient and more accessible because the costs go down. And again, we are now in a world where deepin is becoming more of a big deal. And as you can see within the ecosystem, the available funds as of right now, 560 ETH. They have 236 allocated. They have total funds staked has been 40,000 Ethereum. So, and these are basically their, this is to allow any builder, any developer to push and grow within the Golem ecosystem. You've actually got quite a bit happening now. Clan is one of the highlight projects. They got an allocation of 136 Ethereum. You got Web3 Pi, which got 80 Ethereum. And they have obviously more that they can keep pushing with because they have plenty of capital behind them. In fact, their treasury has, as of right now, $321 million in it. So, or 324, whatever. 321 as of right now, as based on the breakdown of their token value. So as you can see, and at some point they had a lot more Henlo, 1.049 billion of Henlo. Okay. So yeah, so their treasury has enough capital behind it to really help push and grow this. And again, a big thing, make no mistake about it, is the fact that actually we're in a world right now where, and you can have a look at sort of projects as well here through Golem. You can see what's been building, but there's actually been some solid growth. And as I said, deepin is a massive thing. Deepin, while it's a buzzword in crypto, and we see a lot of buzzwords, whether it's NFT, DeFi, ICOs, IDOs, IEOs, right? We see loads of buzzwords in crypto, but deepin is one of those that I actually think has sound reasoning behind why this can lead to adoption. Because if adoption hasn't arrived when people have seen Bitcoin go to 100 grand, that's not what's going to get those people to adopt Bitcoin. What's going to get those people to adopt crypto is going to be that it makes a substantive difference to their lives. Now, that could be through like decentralized storage. That could be through something like Helium, where you get a really cheap phone contracts and you get access to Wi-Fi really easily. Golem is computing power. Now, computing power has real implications for actual industries. It can help improve industries that are focused on AI. It can help improve industries focused in multiple different areas. Game development is another example. And Golem, from my perspective, still has potential to rise. I still think this is a coin that can get back to previous highs. Now, previous all-time highs are $1.25. I think this still has a really sound shot of getting to $1. They have good treasury. They can keep using that money to grow and support projects that are using Golem. They can keep drawing attention to other industries that don't have enough computing power that can get it for cheap through Golem. There's no reason they can't establish good partnerships with solid companies, not just crypto ones, but ones outside of crypto. And those partnerships would cause speculation and cause positive feeling, which causes prices to rise. I think it's one of the more underrated and probably undervalued deepin projects in crypto. But I am interested to hear what people think about deepin in general. Do you think it's a buzzword? Is there a deepin project out there that you know about, rate, and you simply don't hear enough people talking about it? Let me know about that in the comments, because I'll read the comments. I'll do a review on it happily. And we're really close to 90,000 subscribers on this channel. All I need to tick over that list is a little bit of help from you. Can you just subscribe to the channel? Really, really helps. And guys, look, we're in a bull cycle right now. If you're sitting on cryptos you're not happy with, if you're sitting on coins that aren't making you money, get onto copymycrypto.com. On there, you will see some of the profits my members have made. You will see some of my past successes. These are all public record. Go onto the old videos on this channel, you can verify them all. On the site, I share with my members every single coin I own. When I am ready to buy or sell any crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to be buying or selling, the price that I'm going to be buying or selling at. So all my members get in and out of coins same price as me. So there is no work for them and they make the same profit. But read through the whole site, verify it all. If you like what you see and you want to hear more, whether it's the daily market updates I give my members or simply you just want to know the coins that I'm in, the ones I expect to be the big winners of this cycle, like I predicted with so many of these, not least of which was Phantom, which went up nearly 700 times. If you want to find out about those coins, all you've got to do to find out, guys, is join up on the site. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.